Talk about real deal. Got a husband and wife team. He decides to pack up, move to Japan, and study ramen, then come back and open up shop. That's real deal. This is Kobe Japanese Restaurant.
Sesame tare's going in for the Hiyashi Chuka.
Yes, sir. The food's phenomenal. You might need some stretchy jeans.
But even on a hot summer day, they got a bowl that's got your back. When I come to a ramen place and they make a cold ramen, I'm like, oh boy.
The cold ramen is so delicious. It's just like a work of art.
Hiyashi Chuka Ramen up.
The Hiyashi Chuka is wonderful. How often are you able to actually try a cold ramen?
It just is really phenomenal.
So we're gonna do the Hiyashi Chuka Ramen. It's a cold ramen dish.
With a warm char siu on top. Got it.
We cut the pork belly in half, then we cut it into a portion size.
Whose portion is that?
We're gonna wrap it up nice and tight. It sort of glues together.
You're just going to
we're
try to
going
achieve
from,
a
we're
bigger...
going from this to this.
Got it.
This goes into the stock pot.
In the broth.
4 to 6 hours. This is left to cool. We're making the braise, soy sauce, sake, pork broth, meating, salt, grated garlic, some thumbs of ginger.
What you call it, thumbs?
Thumbs.
I call it knobs, okay.
Some water.
And how long are we gonna allow this pork to sit here and braise in this?
4 hours.
Okay.
Once it gets done braising, we wrap it in plastic wrap, let it cool down, and cut it into portion-sized serving.
All right, so what do we do next?
Sesame sauce, the Hiyashi Chuka Ramen.
Got it.
Got some water, soy sauce,
Where did the majority of the recipes come from, chef?
my beautiful wife, vinegar, sesame oil. This is a home recipe. Sugar, stock,
You and that pork stock, man, you can't get away from that.
and sesame paste.
Oh, that's good. Just the right amount of that sesame. Little silkiness from it, toasted nuttiness of it, good amount of vinegar.
Awesome, let's build it. This is for the char siu. Put a little bit of oil in our frying pan, stick that on there, get it nice and brown. A little bit of the sauce, cold noodles, asparagus, char siu pork,
Pickled bean sprouts. What are they pickled in?
rice vinegar, egg,
Thanks.
cucumbers, and
Wait. Mustard?
spicy mustard, yeah.
I want to talk to your wife. I don't know how legit this is. It's too beautiful to eat.
I was gonna say that's a little bit much. Straight to your sinuses.
That's full-on hot mustard. Japanese food is really about balance, really about technique, really about appreciating the ingredients. And that's one of the things that you are doing so well here. And that noodle dish right there, as legit and as delicious as a tempura. Dynamite. Well done.
Those noodles are cold and ready to go.
It has this rich, creamy peanut butter flavor, and with the cucumbers and the asparagus, it's delicious.